Hi, I'm T. I'm one half of the Weekender, and today we're going to try an alternate coffee setup using our slide-out kitchen from the back of our camper van. We cannot believe how much it snowed. This is definitely a later snowfall than we usually get, so we thought it would be the perfect opportunity to load up the van, head out to a local park, make some hot tea, and enjoy the snowstorm. I'm happy to report that this little slide out portion of our table from the back of the van works perfectly out of the side. And now we have a handy little drink station to prep food or drinks. I also need to remove all of these. They've been bugging me for such a long time. And then this fancy little ledge is new, and we made that together the other day, and it turned out so great. We love having this extra space just to make a prep area a little bit more cohesive and flowy. T, where's your cup?
I got a new one.
Perfect. And the teapot. Where did we put the teapot?
Oh, and there.
It's down here.
That's where I put it, yeah.
Ooh, and our new awesome container with ease. Thing yet. So all right, how do I use this thing? So turn that on, and I think that one's, which one's hot? On. How do I turn this thing on? Oh.
Right. And you wanted it all the way up?
Yeah. Oh, and then that one's hot water. Okay. All right. Yeah. Please go. Hey, let's get this one. I guess this would help.
Yeah.
And
Oh,
oh yeah. All right. Spoons and I can probably actually. There we go. All right, so that is a wrap on our alternative coffee table setup, which I have to say was a complete success. I am so thrilled to know that we can now use this little table on either side of our van's sliding doors. This opens up so many more opportunities for us to explore and enjoy viewpoints from different angles of our van. And on that note, we're gonna grab those hot drinks and go for a stroll through this beautiful park. And we do have a video on our walk through the park, so if you're interested, I'll link that video up in the corner for you guys. And make sure to hit that like and subscribe video if you enjoyed today's video, because your support means so much to us and the growth of our channel. Again, thanks for tuning in, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye!